7 p.m. at the Western Doham International Airport. Cloudy. The temperature was 72 degrees, the dew point was 62, and the relative humidity 78%. Winds were west at 24 miles an hour, gusting to 40 miles an hour. The barometer was rising at 30.16 inches. At Kern Bay, a thunderstorm was reported, reducing the visibility to 3 miles. The temperature was 72. At West Point Beach, it was 6. The Doham Weather Bureau has issued a tornado warning for Southern Bay region until 7:50 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., a waterspout was moving on to the Hicks Bay Peninsula shore. A confirmed tornado was located 3 miles west of Kerm and was moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Expect considerable tree damage. Locations impacted include Kerm and Stirk Rock. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover